Hey guys, it's Matt, welcome to SpeedTutor, and today I'm going to show you the brand new Quick Start bundle which has hit the Unity asset store, which is 13 different assets for a combined total of $2. So you pay $2 and you get every single one of these. And these are collectively a bunch of tools, characters, environments across 2D and 3D. And it's got a value of around $478 if you were to buy these all separately. And in this video, I'm going to go through everything in this bundle so you make sure that you don't miss out. Just before we get started, the free asset for this week is the House on a Hill environment by Hivemind, which is normally $29.99 and you can get this for free. It does include a library of foliage, sky meshes, a nice ocean shader, and some various models that you can see in this demo. So the first asset in the $2 bundle is the Low Poly Mega City, which is a giant open world city builder pack, whether you need this for simulation games or otherwise, with 740 different modular prefabs with full city layouts, enterable buildings and interiors, elevators and doors, transport infrastructure, vehicles, different city zones, buildings, and loads of different features included. The next one is the Weather Maker, which is volumetric clouds and a full weather system. So whether you want weather, sky, day to night cycles, water, volumetric clouds, light and fog, lightning, ambient sounds, and so many different features to make the perfect weather, to make anything from a storm to a beautiful sunny day. Next one is the Low Poly Medieval Fantasies Basic Pack, which is a customizable set of low poly styled characters across a medieval hero, completely rigged with humanoid animations. It includes a swordsman, an archer and a mage, fighter, rogue, witch or warlock, knight, hunter and sorcerer, with various different hairstyles, facial hairs, eyes, eyebrows, different outfits ready to go. Next one is the 2D Art Maker Casual Characters. So it's an all-in-one kit to make 2D based characters with 450 different unique parts to personalize them to your heart's content. So it's got its own editor just to make this. So it's got 10 different beards, 10 brows, eyes, hair, mouth, back, boots, bottoms, eyewear, gears left and right, gloves, helmets, tops, skin color, and a few different animations to boot. Next one is the Elemental Spells Full Pack of Visual Effects. So it's 24 elemental spells across water, earth, wind, and fire. It also includes things like shields, area of effects, projectiles, auras, blasts, and beams. Next one is the Humanoid Melee Animations. So great if you want to start making your own RPG, and it includes various one-handed attacks for daggers, swords, clubs, hammers, even two-handed based weapons, two-handed long weapons like spears, polearms, and different shields. So it's got various amounts of runs, sprinting, strafes, turning, shield attacks, stuns, dodge, double-handed, dual wielding, and loads of things to get your combat started. Next one is the Cyberpunk City, which has 260 different environmental assets, fully modular kit for this cyberpunk style, with buildings that you can drag and drop straight there, and different visual effects that you can add to this scene as well. We've got the KK Adventure Characters Pack. So this is a bunch of characters that are fully rigged and animated with 160 different animations and 25 different accessories across a knight, barbarian, a rogue, a mage, a ranger, a druid, an engineer. We've also got the KK Platformer Kit, which has 170 unique models, but over 525 if you count things that have been recolored in a low poly style for platforms, power-ups, buttons, obstacles and traps, if you want to make obstacle courses or anything in between. We've got the Fantasy RPG GUI, which comes with hundreds of icons, coloured components, backgrounds, and different buttons to create anything from logins, title screens, loading screens, menus, inventories, and so much more. We've got the motion blur for object motion blur, camera, or cinematic. So if you want to add a little bit more realism to your scenes, when you've got fast moving motion, so this is a lightweight solution to add any components to a racing game, action shooters, or any cinematic based cutscenes, which can just drag this on and away you go. Next one is the Footsteps Pack. So this is over 650 different footstep samples, but they need this for mud, concrete, grass, jumps, metal, robotic, gravel, and a variation of ice and snow. And the last one that you'll find is something called the Fruit Market, which is everything that you need for fruits. This is over 300 models, all different prefabbed assets with beautiful little hand-painted textures. So you can make your very own fruit-based simulator. So do remember to grab this bundle for $2 before it's gone, and comment down below and let me know what you think. If you do like this video, be sure to throw a like and make sure you're subscribed because it helps me out massively. And check out my Patreon too to get over 240 different scripts, assets and projects you cannot find anywhere else. Massive thank you to Verishuther and Party of 10 for their amazing support, and everybody else, thank you very much for watching.